Hi everyone, it's Elena and welcome back to my channel. So I haven't made a video in a really long time, and it's because I've been super duper busy with school, and I just got out of school and I'm so excited to be back to filming because I really missed this. I can't tell you how many times I picked up my camera while I was in school and vlogged a week in my life, a day in my life, hated it, and then never uploaded it. And I hate myself for it because I wish I would have done it because I feel so absent on this channel. But I'm so excited to get back to filming videos, and I'm really going to try to start filming during the school year because I don't like it when there is this huge gap where I'm not filming, because that really sucks, and I really like doing this because it's so fun. So today I'm going to be doing something super fun that I saw on Instagram, and I want to give credit where credit is due. I saw this girl post this video. I'll show it to you. Basically she posted it and I was just scrolling through Instagram and I saw it and I was like, okay, I need to do this because this would be such a fun video idea and such a test of you know, how shitty my makeup skills have gotten over time, because while I'm in college I don't really do my makeup that often, so this should be really fun. So basically the whole premise is that I pick a palette and I count how many shades there are, and then I take a piece of paper and a pen and I write down the number, and then I throw those numbers into a hat or a bag, and then I draw the numbers. Let's say we'll draw 3 to 4 numbers, and basically I have to make a look with those colors. So this is really scary because a lot of my palettes are the Norvina palette, where there's a lot of shades that don't really go together. You can mix them with other palettes, but they don't necessarily go together. So I have lots of palettes. I have the Modern Renaissance, Norvina, Chill Baby, highlighter palette, a Lorac palette that I don't use. This is a Too Faced palette, which I want to eliminate palettes that are gonna be super easy to match. For example, a Morphe palette, because Morphe palettes are just so cohesive with color that if I tried to make it hard, it would be kind of easy because all the shades are the same tone. You know what I mean? So if I picked, you know, this one and this one and this one, I could make, you know, something out of that because all of the shades are in the same color range. But when it's something that's the Norvina palette, where all the colors are a little bit different, it could be a little bit more challenging. I have, it might be more fun with a bigger palette, but I just hate this palette so much. You know, just to get off on a tangent really quickly, I am sick of Too Faced. They literally are the La Basura of the makeup community these days. They repeat the same shades. I cannot tell you. These two palettes are a couple years apart in age. This is a Grand Palace palette, because you know how they do the Grand Palace during Christmas time. And this was the Natural Love palette. There are so many repetitive shades. Cobblestone, I believe, is in here. No, Honey Butter, right? City, they repeat the same shades in everything from their other palettes, Honey Pot, Satin Sheets, Satin Sheets is in here, Honey Butter, Spotlight, Coffee Date. These are all repeats from other palettes, and I am sick of them because they literally don't make anything new, anything fun, and their shades actually suck. They're so hard to blend, they're really chalky, they leave bald spots, and I'm just not about it anymore. So I'm done buying Too Faced products. So that's the end of that tangent. But I think maybe it'll be fun if I combine two palettes in total that are kind of similar but kind of different, because I don't want to it's not my intention to completely sabotage the look and not make it cute or anything. So I'm gonna pick two. Maybe I really like the Anastasia palette so much. Maybe we'll do Prism and Norvina. Okay, so Prism and Norvina are, I don't know if you can see, but okay, so this is Prism. Prism is a really interesting palette with some dark emeraldy tones, just really dark overall, with obviously Spear being the craziest. And then Norvina is obviously the aesthetic of Norvina, so it's like very like pinks and like dark colors mixed with like the beautiful like bright colors. So maybe we'll do a mix between these two because that could be kind of fun. Okay, so let's do this. How many shades are in these? Okay, so in total, both the palettes have 28 shades. So I'm gonna take this piece of paper and write down each number 1 through 28, and then we're gonna draw the numbers randomly. All right, you guys, I'm so scared actually because I'm scared I'm gonna like pull a shit number, a shit combination of numbers, and then I'm just gonna have to deal with the repercussions of the shitty makeup look, and then everyone can make fun of me in the comments below. Okay, also I already did my face, so we're just gonna jump right into eyes. All right, I'm gonna close my, how many? Let's do 3. Let's do 3. 4 is a little much. 2. Okay. 2 is this beautiful color in the Norvina palette called Summer. Very, very pretty. It's this one right here. It's very, very pretty. It's like a, it's gold. Yeah, it's like a gold. If I pull another shimmer shade, I'm gonna be really fucking pissed because 2 shimmer shades in 1 look is just not a look. Alright. Just gonna pull a random number. I'm so scared. 23. Okay, let's... Oh, okay. 23 is in the Prism palette, and it is this color called Parallel. So that's kind of exciting. Parallel and Summer I can definitely make work. This might be kind of fun. Okay, I'm so excited because I pulled good colors. All right. You guys, I'm so scared because what if I pull a color and then it ruins the whole thing? I don't know. Those are 2 really strong colors. Even if I pull like a neon color, we can make it work, you know? All right. All right. 24, which is right after 23. No! Oh no! You guys, I'm so mad. Oh, this could have been so fun. Now this is just gonna show. All right, 24 is Pyramid, which is this gold color, which is like a very intense like gold. And Summer is like a, guys, how am I gonna make this work? Am I allowed to pull again? These are just like not even in the same realm of like, you guys, this is like not fair. Do I like cut this clip entirely and pull again? You guys, this is so bad. Okay. Oh no, they're like completely, Pyramid and Summer are like completely different undertones, and I'm gonna look fucking crazy. You guys, I have to pull again. I can't do it. 2 shimmer shades is just not fucking normal, you know? That's not a normal makeup look. All right, we're pulling again. Because that just, like not trying to be like whatever, but 2 shimmer shades is like way too much, so. All right, we're gonna pull again. If I pull 24 again, I'm just gonna have to make it work. Okay. 13, okay. Okay. So 13 is this one. I actually have never used this color, but it's really pretty. It's called Egocentric, and it's like this orangey brown color. It's very, very pretty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we can make that work. Okay. I'm sorry that I cheated, you guys. I just like, I really don't picture myself being able to mix 2 shimmer shades together. You know what I mean? Like, you at home sitting there like, ooh, that probably wouldn't be the best idea, because it wouldn't be. It would be, so to say the least. All right, so I accidentally packed away my thing that holds my makeup brushes, so I need to go get that when I moved back from college. But, you know, I have this random brush in my collection, but I really like it because it's a great blender brush. So we're gonna use this. Also, sorry if my hair looks insane. I need to get it cut so bad, but my appointment is next Thursday, so there's just gonna have to wait. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with is it egocentric? Or it's called eccentric. Okay, I'm dumb. I can't read. Okay. I'm gonna take eccentric on this blending brush and put it in my crease. It's very, very pigmented. This is a really nice color. So you guys, I've been trying these new supplements that I picked up yesterday. They're the Ollie Clear Skin supplement things, and I've heard of them before. Some of my friends that I live with were taking the probiotic ones. And there are, I believe, 25 days in one package, and I really want to do a full 25 days and then like update you on like how the supplements have affected my skin, if or at all. So I thought that would be kind of fun to do, but obviously I need to find content to do that doesn't take 25 days to complete, so that's why I'm doing this, because I thought it would be kind of fun. Yeah, I'm really digging this color. Okay. Alright, you guys, I'm so sorry if the angle changed. My camera and stuff got messed up because the battery died. So, okay, I am obsessed with this color. Eccentric. I need to start using it more often. The next thing that I'm going to do, I think this is I have no idea what this is. I think this is a MAC brush. I'm going to spray, maybe not, I don't know what this brush is. It was a gift and I have no idea what it is. But I'm going to take this flat shadow brush, spray it with some MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to dip into Summer, because that is what we pull. Ooh! Ooh, you guys, this color combo is really, really, really cute. Alright, time to swipe away the fallout because I got a lot on my cheek. Alright. Okay, cute. Alright. That's kind of fun. Okay, you guys, I can deal with this. Alright, now I'm going to take Parallel, which was the other shade that we pulled. And I'm going to put this in the outer corner. It's been so long since I packed a shadow in the outer corner. Alright, I'm going to take that crease brush that I started with in Eccentric and kind of blend out those harsh like lines that we got going on. You guys, my skin has lately been so bad. Ugh. I'm really trying to use new products and try something new on my skin because I feel like there's just like something wrong that I need to fix, you know? So, alright. It's not the worst makeup look I've ever done in the entire world, so not mad. Okay, now I'm going to take Eccentric and put this on my lower lash line. Oh, cute. Okay. Alright, how do you guys feel about winged liner? Because some people are saying that it's dead, but I can't imagine my life without it, so that's scary. I don't know if it's dead or not. Did it die? I honestly couldn't tell you.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Alright, well, they're not the worst I've ever done with eyeliner, but they're surely not the best. It's so funny to me that, you know, I could have really royally f***ed up the eyeshadow. But I f***ed up the eyeliner instead. Okay, now I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I got a new mascara yesterday that I'm kind of excited about. This is the CoverGirl Lump Crusher. Or Clump Crusher, sorry. Okay. The wand on it is really, really cool because it's like one of those ones that's like bent or like curved or whatever to kind of help curl the lash upward.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
Alright, so I'm gonna take this white eyeliner from ColourPop, which is really, really cool.
There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
I really, really like to use white eyeliner lately because it makes my eyes look so much bigger than what they are. It's just like kind of fun. It also just like, I don't know, it lengthens my eyes a little bit too, which I think is kind of nice. And yeah, okay, so now we're gonna choose a lip color. I kind of want to do like a summery color. I'm gonna take this liquid lip and the Cosmetics liquid lip in French Nude. If you're looking to change up your liquid lip into something that you've never tried before, besides like Kylie Cosmetics or besides L'Oreal or anything like that, try Cosmetics. I'm literally not kidding. So I put on the, like I was telling you, one of my favorite liquid lips is the Cosmetics in French Nude, and I put over top of it this Hoola lip gloss because I thought that because the face is very matte, I wanted to do like a nice glowy like lip. This is the Hoola lip gloss in Ultra Plush, which I really, really like. It's really, really good for the summer because it has like this nice like brown tint to it. I'm obsessed with this look, you guys. You know, it would have been more fun if I like, you know, kind of fucked it up, but I am so obsessed with how this turned out, you guys, and I am so excited. So I challenge you, whether you have a channel or not, whether you have a channel or not, or if you do, to film it, to try doing this with yourself because this is really fun, and it introduced me to some shades that I had avoided from these palettes, and now I'm obsessed with them. So definitely do this challenge because it's so fun, and especially like if you're into makeup, it might be a good practice or a challenge for you, and I think that that's super cool and that's super fun and fresh. I don't know, who am I, Tana Mojo? But I just really, really like the way that this look turned out, and I hope you guys liked watching it. I know it wasn't super duper exciting, but I just thought it would be kind of fun. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys soon in a new video, hopefully very, very soon. So I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
She's a Mona Lisa.